Hi everyone. Today we will discuss a simple scenario. This scenario is commonly asked by the interviewers. So here you can see balls and runs. So balls are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So two overs. And the runs for each ball we have separate. Okay. Output expecting overs and total runs. So two overs, one and two, and for each over, first over is 20 runs, and second over is 12 runs. So we need to get this output. So for this scenario, we will use rollup component. In rollup component, we will use KeyChange function. See how we will identify KeyChange function value. See here balls. So we have every over starting with one. So here one, first ball, second ball, third ball, fourth ball, fifth ball, sixth ball. Again first ball. So we can mention keychain function like this. Ball equal to equal to okay. So if you mention like this, so every record it reaches one means it will be one group. So this is one group and this will be one group. Okay, so we will see the practically how we will implement this scenario. So we will take input file and the output file and roll component. Input file, output file, roll component. So we are connecting input port to roll up input port and roll up output port to output file. So here our input is this one. So we don't require header, balls and runs. So we only require input like this, and this is Windows. We need one extra line. Okay, so we are saving scores in that in dot format. We are saving this input file. So here in location path, we are giving scores dot that and DML. So we need to mention DML as well. So here in DML, first one is decimal. So we are separating delimiter with the pipe, and first field is balls, and second one is decimal. Again, digits only we require. So after runs, we have only next line. So we mentioned. So we are running in Windows. That's the reason we are mentioned R here. In Unix, it is not required slash. So we can see the first input file. So we'll mention 100. So now we can see balls and runs and the score. So now we need to mention same location path for output file, scores out and DML, decimal. First one we required overs Second one we require total runs. We are validating, closing. Now we need to give the transformation and KeyChange function in rollup component. Rollup component we are using for grouping the data record based on certain field values. So here we are choosing key change function. In key method, use key specifier is the default. We are changing it to use key change function, and we need to use transform function. So in the rollup, we have packages. We will choose the package. So we have rollup is a multi-stage transform function. So we will have initialize, rollup, finalize, input select, and key change function. So in rollup, we are using here keychain function. So we are choosing into dot balls equal to second one. So this first one, second one. Into dot balls equal to 1. So here in current version, it will display like in 0 and in 1. But it is old version we are using. So here it is showing into. But current version it will be in 0 and in 1. So in 1 dot balls equal to 1. So I'm validating transform is okay and saving. So now I am creating temporary variable total runs. This is the digit, so I am taking as data type is decimal and delimiter I am taking comma. Validating record format is okay. After creating temporary variable, we need to initialize value for that. So I am initializing 0 as value for the temporary variable. Validating transform is okay. Saving. Now we need to write the transform function for the total runs. So temp dot total runs plus in dot runs equal to total runs. So this means it will calculate first ball and again second ball, third ball. So it will summarize. Rollup is mainly used to summarize the values. Now we need to do the finalize. In finalize, we require overs and total runs. Okay. So overs how we will get? We need to require one and two. First over, second over. In Abinitio, for system generated unique sequence number, we will use next in sequence function. Next in sequence function. So we are connecting to overs. So first record will be one, second record will be two. Like that, it will count if we use next in sequence. And total runs, temp dot total runs. Validating transform is okay. Now we'll see once transform in text mode. See, first we will created the temporary variable and initialize value 0. Then again we did roll up transform function temp dot total runs plus in dot runs. Here in finalize function we kept next in sequence for creating system generated unique sequence number and out dot total runs equal to temp dot total runs. Okay. So in KeyChange function we are using into dot balls equal to 1. Okay. So we are validating everything is correct. Now we will see we will run the graph and see the result. So graph is running. Okay. Graph completed. See. So we have 12 records in input. Output we got 2 records. We'll see the output. You see the input as well. See, here we got expected output. First over is 20 runs and second over will be 12 runs. So hope you will understand this scenario. Please practice and you will also able to answer if you enter asking this question. Thank you so much.